When selecting the best SD card for a GoPro, the key specifications to look for are storage capacity, speed class, and the card's reliability and durability to withstand extreme conditions. In this episode, we will explore 3 top-tier options that meet the demanding specifications of GoPro cameras.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have PNY Elite X Class SD card. The PNY Elite X Class SD card is a highly reliable and performance-oriented option that pairs excellently with most GoPro models, including the latest Heroes series. Designed for action cameras and 4K video recording, these cards typically offer impressive read speeds, often reaching up to 100 Mbps, which facilitates fast file transfers when offloading footage to a computer. Crucially, they are designated with the necessary Speed Class 3 (U3) rating and Video Speed Class 30 (V30) rating. This ensures a minimum sustained write speed of 30 Mbps, which is essential to handle the high bitrate of 4K video without overheating or dropping frames. The PNY Elite X also boasts solid durability, being magnet-proof, shock-proof, temperature-proof, and waterproof, making it a robust companion for any extreme sport or environment where a GoPro excels. On number 2, we have Lexar Blue SD card. While Lexar Blue SD card is a broad term, it often refers to the Lexar High Performance 633X or the Professional line, both of which are excellent candidates for high-resolution GoPro capture. Lexar has a long-standing reputation for manufacturing reliable memory solutions, and their blue-colored cards are frequently recognized for their high speeds and consistent performance. Like other top-tier cards, the recommended versions for GoPro use will carry the U3, V30 ratings, delivering the required sustained write speed for continuous 4K recording. These cards are engineered to handle the intense data throughput from features like time warp or hypersmooth stabilized video. Users often report fast loading times and smooth performance across various GoPro modes, making a Lexar Blue card a dependable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike who demand reliability under pressure. On number 3, we have Samsung Evo Select SD card. The Samsung Evo Select SD card has emerged as a favorite among GoPro users for offering a powerful combination of speed, capacity, and exceptional value. These cards are readily available and known for delivering reliable, high-speed performance consistently. The Evo Select cards meet the necessary specifications, boasting the U3 speed rating and read speeds that often exceed 100 Mbps. They are particularly praised for their competitive pricing without compromising on the speed and reliability needed for high bitrate video capture. Samsung ensures their cards are built to last, providing extensive protection against water, extreme temperatures, X-rays, and magnetic forces. For a user who needs massive storage capacity, up to 512 gigabytes in some generations, to record hours of high-quality footage without constantly swapping cards, the Samsung Evo Select provides a compelling and cost-effective solution. So these are some of the best SD cards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.